Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Digital Content. My name is Daniel Mosem. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how we can create a pop-up email notification form on our WordPress website without making use of any plugins, any WordPress plugin, or any tools or any email marketing tools. Now, all we are going to be doing is using a platform called system.io. So all you need to do is just go to system.io, register an account with them. But if you don't know how to register an account after this video, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll create a video on how to register an account with them. So after you have registered an account with them, it will take you to this dashboard. Now if you are using, you can use a mobile phone, as I'm using my mobile phone right now, and you can also make use of your laptop to do this. Now if you are using your laptop, you are going to see a list of menu at the menu bar. So just click on what, click on funnel. But if you are using your phone, click on menu and head towards funnel. Click on funnel. Now all we want to do is we want to create funnel. Then we just what, hit this plus button. Now this is what I'm trying to say. Click on this place. Can you see? So click on it to create a new funnel. Now give it a name. I can say email subscription form. Then I click on build an audience and I'll scroll down here to select the currency, which you are going to select the US dollar. Okay, we have the US dollar. Save it. So once you have saved it, you already have the funnel. All you have to do is click on that funnel. Now this is where I ask you to click on. Click on it here. Now click on it. Now it will take you to where, to the page where you are going to set up the funnel. Now in this page, now we are having squeeze page, thank you page. Now but we don't need our squeeze page. All what we need is what, a pop-up form in order to collect our subscribers email, you understand, so that we can send them notification anytime. So all you have to do is you have to delete this squeeze page and thank you page. Now click on this delete button, confirm. Do that for these two, confirm. Then when you are done deleting those two, click on add step. Now at this step, give it a name, email subscription form. So I'm using that name again, so you can change the name. Now what do you want to create? Is it an opt-in form, squeeze page, inline form, or pop-up form? So we want to collect our customer email using what, a pop-up form. Now we'll click on save. After I've clicked on save, system.io, the good thing about them is that they are going to suggest a lot of template for you, which you are going to select the one you are going to be using. Now I can make use of this. Let's preview this. Can you see? So this to let you know what a pop-up email notification will look like. Now can you see, it will just pop up, and when, can you see? So because this is just a preview, it might not work the way you want it to work. So let's just go back. Now after you have preview what you want, or you have seen what you want, just click on select to select the one you want. Now all you have to do is what, edit this to your taste before we now configure or integrate it to our what, WordPress website. So you have to click on this third icon, which is the edit button. Now at this point, if you are using a mobile phone, I will advise you to what, put your phone in the desktop mode. Can you see? So when we move this thing down, at this down part, we're having the desktop mode and the mobile view. So all you have to do is just start what you want to do, edit what you want to edit, and save it. Now you can see we're having a background image. You might not want it, just click at a point. Now once you have clicked at that point, no, we don't want to change the background image for this write up. We want to change the background image for everything. You have to click it so that so is is giving us all the interface now. Now where you are going to click on where you are seeing this at this point. So just change the color, or you might put another background image. So let's change the image. I'm going to click on that icon. Then let's see what we want to use. Let's see what I want to use. Let me use this. Insert. So can you see? But if you don't want to use it, you can just what? Delete it. That is, I've removed it. Can you see the way I remove it? Then click on this background color to select the background you want to use. Can you see? So we need to remove this first. So can you see what I did? I first click on this part before I change the color, so it's going to remove it automatically from me. So we have this is what we are having now. Since we have changed the color, and you might want to change the text, just click on where you want to edit. Can you see? I'll just delete this, bring my cursor here, delete it, and add something. Email, subscription form. So you might want to add something different. Then come to this part too. So I'll show you something now. Come to this part too, then write something else you want to add. I can say get valuable content every day. Can you see? Now at this point I might want to change what? The text color. Now I'll click on this part, this one here. Can you see? This very one here that is showing transparent. Let me click on it. And let me change this to white. So I guess I need to first select everything before it will take effect. Can you see? So you need to first select it, like you highlight everything, that content. Then now once you are done, so I think we are done with that. So once you are done, let's put it on the mobile view and see how it's going to appear too. So this is how it's going to appear. I think we don't have any issue with it. So I think it's okay. So you can design it to your taste. You can even remove everything and start adding it. Can you see we have this interface here that you can use? Now once you are done, now this last button that is going to direct your subscriber to where you want them to direct to, just click it, because it's just a notification. It's just a pop-up notification. You don't need it to redirect them to a thank you page or a squeeze page. You just want the notification to just go away after they have typed in their email. So all you just need to do is come to this part that is saying, do you want to redirect user blah blah blah. Now click on it and say no direction. So once you have said no direction, that is okay. So click on it and save it. So after you have saved it, so let's go back to our settings. So let's just go back to our settings. So I think we are done with that. We just what? Let me put this. Let me turn it back. So can you see? So we are done with this. Then let's save it. Can you see? Next step was saved successfully. Now let's view it. I think you already get what I did there. Can you see? Now let's try this. Maybe, can you see it has already subscribed? Then it will, the notification will just go away, the pop-up will just go away. Now once you have done, we are done with that, all we have to do is what? Integrate it to our WordPress website. Now to integrate that, I'll just click on this script. So let me turn it to the desktop mode, then copy the script. So let me refresh it and do it again. So after refreshing it and I click on the script, it will show me the script tag. Just copy it. So I've copied it. Now the next thing is to what? Go to my WordPress website and log into the admin dashboard. So let me go to my WordPress website very quickly. I think this is it. So it's very easy to add. Now once you are at your WordPress website, just click on this place and look for appearance. Now once you see appearance, click on theme file editor. Now when you are here, look for header.php. So once you look for header.php, then you look for this place. After this open tag for header, this head open tag, just paste your code after it. Can you see? Then you can decide to drop it down like this a little bit. Now be very careful with this code, because if you do any mistake here, it's going to scatter your site and you will not like what you'll be getting. You will not like the result you'll be getting. So you have to be very careful. It is just this point you are going to paste it, no other place. So file edited successfully. Now let's see what we have done. Maybe it actually worked. So I'll just scroll up. You have to be very careful so that you not delete. I'll click on here and view my site. I'll open it on a new tab. Now let me see what I have done. Maybe it actually worked. So let's see. Okay, so let's log out of this place and see if it will work. So it's not working. Let me refresh this again. So let me check, try and putting it on desktop mode and see if it is going to work. So let's go back and reset it again since it's not working. Probably let's save it. Let's save it at this point. It has been saved. Then let's refresh it. So let's go back. Probably the code was not added very well. So let's log in. Let's log in and check. Let's click on what? Header.php. So this is our header.php. So this is the okay. Right. Let's remove it and re-add it again. So you have to be very careful when adding this. Let me delete it. Let me paste it here. Then let me save it. So let me check it out now. Maybe it's going to work. I believe it should work. So let's check it out and see if it's going to work. Okay, I think we need to just let me log out and clear the browser cache. So let's go back here and see. So come here and click on history, clear browsing cache, clear data. So we can see that it's working after we have refreshed the page and clear browser history. So you just need to let's check it out. So let's enter our email address and what click get access. Can you see? So it will not take me to any redirection according to what we added. It will just continue. It will make me continue my browsing. So let me see if to refresh it again. So it will make me continue my browsing. Can you see? So because it has detected that I've already subscribed, so it will not bring it again. That was why we were having issue when we first integrate it, because it detected that a form was there before and that we have subscribed before. So when we integrate another code, it's hard for it to pop up. So except when we now clear the browser history, and that was what made that. We can see that it is not even popping up now. Can you see? It will not work. It will not work because it has detected that we already subscribed. So that's the way it works. So let's say we now clear the history again like the way we did that time. So let's see what happened now. So let's refresh it. Can you see what I'm saying now? So because we clear it, it will bring it for us to subscribe, because now it's just as if the page is loading for the first time. So that is that on that. So I believe you understand how you can integrate a pop-up email subscription form into your WordPress website without without writing any code, or without actually using any plugin or any email marketing tools. So if you really enjoy this video and you find value in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and also share your view in the comment section. Thank you very much.